IDPA, as many of you must be knowing, it's a public trust, a non-profit organization of Indian Documentary Producers Association, those who are into the documentary filmmaking, and basically furthering the cause of taking documentary movement ahead. That they are associated with Mumbai International Film Festival, I think since 1988. So 1988, they are associated with the Mumbai International Film Festival for documentary animation and short films.
Thank you, friends, for coming today to our press conference. As you know, that IDPA is a documentary and short filmmakers body, and it started in 1956. So it is 62-year-old now, and we have had a number of people who have joined with us. They are with us right now. Some of them are no more, unfortunately, because it is a 62-year-old body. So naturally, people come, they contribute, and then they pass the legacy to us. We have been doing a lot of work. Currently, what we are doing is that we have a Doordarshan slot, which we have. It appears on Saturday. It is telecast on Saturday at 10 o'clock. Apart from that, we have a lot of festivals that we conduct all around India. And secondly is that we screen also films in Mumbai and some various other places. What I want to say is that IDPA has been is a part of the movement. Ultimately, ours is a public trust, so we are all trustees, and we have elections after some years, and then people change. So it is like passing the baton. It is like that. So it is a movement. Ultimately, the independent movement that documentary filmmaking is. That is what we are taking it further. And there are a lot of problems that we have to face. But still, as the documentary makers, we know how to deal with it. Sometimes we know, sometimes we don't know, sometimes we get stuck. But that is how it is. But IDPA has been going around since a long time. And we have had presidents, and the first president was Mr. Ezra Mir, who was later on, he was the head of films division also. That is the connection that we have, though we are independent body, but we have the connection with even government people.
Well, now, since we are sitting here in a festival which is connected to feature films, so मैं जरा एक feature film का dialogue सुनाऊं. It always says that तब्दीली वक्त का कानून है. The only thing permanent in life is change. So at the moment we are in a position of changing, and what we would like to do in future is something I would like to share. Since I have been a documentary filmmaker, hardcore documentary filmmaker for last so many years, so I have a first-hand knowledge of what documentary filmmakers go through. So there are two things that documentary filmmakers really need very badly. One thing, of course, is funding, that everybody knows, and second thing is audience. Because if I am making a film, whether I get money out of it or not, more important to me is whether people are watching it or not. Because every filmmaker, and especially documentary filmmaker, they work in a very hard working conditions. They are always short on facilities. They are always, doing a whole lot of different jobs there on their own, because they don't have resources to hire a big unit. So after putting in all those efforts, if those films are not seen by people, if they are not appreciated by audiences, that is very unfortunate. So in that connection, what we would like to do, we can't, at the moment at least, we don't have the facility to provide funding to documentary filmmakers, which we hope to do with the help of government schemes. But what we are trying to do, and what we'll continue trying to do, is to provide exposure to the films of our members. In that connection, we have been organizing screenings in Mumbai. We also participate in various film festivals all over India. We will, in fact, go all the way out to hold festivals in in all the remote corners of India also, because we want to reach our films everywhere. May it be Kashmir, may it be Nagaland, may it be Tamil Nadu, we want to go everywhere and hold festivals. Also we have competitions, we would like to hold, we do hold workshops, but we would like to do much more than this. We will hold workshops, seminars, master classes, and a whole lot of activity to reach out to larger audience.
There are certain things which have to be done, whether people like it or not. It is your responsibility. It is responsibility of the exhibitors also to show documentaries. One thing we can certainly help is that there could be a committee where the choice of films can be, we could be a part of that. Films division can be a part of that. There will be some other people, some experts who can be, and we can decide, depending on the zones or whatever, and the requirements of people, and also how people are reacting. But we need to, choice. I can understand that if there are not good choices, then people do get bored.
Basically, what they used to show was government promotion.
Yeah,
They were
correct.
not used to